Hi everyone. If you watched my last few videos, you would be aware that my dog Timmy was diagnosed with cancer. In April of 2019, a tumor developed by the chin due to an ear infection that developed in February. It started off benign. However, the lack of treatment caused the tumor to quickly become malignant. I was recommended to have Timmy get a CT scan and surgery in the same morning. I canceled the appointment because I was afraid that Timmy could not take both surgery and a CT scan in such a short amount of time.
The surgery to remove a 10-centimeter tumor on the neck would have not only the risk of complications, but also the risk of anesthesia and great amount of blood loss. Other than those reasons, a CT scan would require Timmy to swallow a drug, which could hurt his kidney.
This is why we chose radiation therapy. The treatment is mild but effective. Later, Timmy had a CT scan in Monterey, which was analyzed by a specialist. We were attracted to a well-known animal hospital. The veterinarian there told us that we would have to wait 1 week and needed another CT scan, even though we already got one.
I was worried that 1 week would be too long and the tumor could grow to the point where Timmy can't breathe, and another CT scan would require Timmy to swallow a drug, which could hurt his kidney.
I ended up choosing a vet in Santa Cruz, where Timmy had radiation therapy twice a week. The treatment is now over and it was very successful. Timmy's tumor shrank 3 centimeters, and I am very proud of him for making it there.